Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we're gonna learn how to delete videos and pictures from memories on Snapchat. So memories is a feature that allows you to save your snaps and stories within the app. However, if you want to remove some of the saved memories, then we'll show you how to do this. So first things first is to go ahead and log in onto your Snapchat account. And once you're already in here onto the app, you'll just need to scroll up so that you should be able to locate the memories section. So here you should be able to see your snaps or your stories in here. And you'll just have to click onto the photo or video that you want to delete. So for example, this one, we're going to click onto that. And if you've noticed, there is a three dots here. Click onto that three dots, and then you should be able to see the option to delete snap. So you'll just have to click onto delete snap, click onto delete snap again to proceed. Now you could do the same thing onto videos, just do the same process, the three dots, click on delete snap again, and that should do it to delete videos and pics from memories on Snapchat account. And if you think this has been helpful, don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and we'll see you on to our next video.